Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, I hope that you are doing well. Students, today we are going to learn about the topic multiplication of matrices. So in this video we will learn inshallah that how we multiply the two matrices. First of all, we see the definition of multiplication of matrices. Two matrices A and B are conformable for multiplication giving product A into B, AB, if the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of B. So we multiply two matrices when the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. Students, take an example. Here, first matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0. These are the elements of matrix A, and the elements of matrix B. Second matrix elements are 1, 4, 3, 1, 2. So the order of these two matrices, first of all, the order of matrix A is how many rows in this matrix? 1, 2, 2 rows, and how many columns? 1 and 2, 2 columns. So it means that the order of matrix A is 2 by 2. So in matrix B, the order is 2 by 2 because there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So order is 2 by 2. Now see students, first we write the number of rows and then we write the number of columns. First we write the number of rows and then we write the number of columns. Now see, number of columns of matrix A are 2 and number of rows of matrix B are 2. So according to the definition and according to the condition, these should be equal. So you see that number of columns of matrix A are 2 and number of rows of matrix B are 2. So these two are equal. It means that these two matrices are conformable for multiplication. So we can multiply these two matrices, matrix A and B. Now students, we will see how we multiply these two matrices. First of all, write here A into B, that is AB equal to 1, 2, 3, 0 into 4, 3, 1 and 2. When we multiply two matrices, we always multiply row with column. So row into column. We multiply, how we multiply row into column. So first we multiply first row with first column and then second column. Row 1 into column 1 and then row 1 into column 2. So 1 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 1. First element is multiplied by first element and second element is multiplied by second element. 1 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Now multiply row 1 with column 2. 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2. Right? First we have multiplied first row with first column and then first row into second column. Now we will multiply second row with first column and then second column. Now the first element of second row is 3. Here the first element of column 1 is 4. So first element is multiplied by first element. 3 multiplied by 4 plus, now second element is multiplied by second element. 0 multiplied by 1. Now we have to multiply row 2 with column 2. 3 multiplied by 3. First element with first element plus second element here is 0 and second element here in column 2 is 2. So 0 multiplied by 2. Students, see that we have multiplied these two matrices. How we multiply? We multiply by rows into columns. So this is row 1. The elements of row 1 are 1, 2 and the elements of column 1 are 4, 1. So first element is multiplied by first element, 1 multiplied by 4 plus second element is multiplied by second element, 2 multiplied by 1. Then we have to multiply row 1 with second column because we have two columns in matrix B. So 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2. Now we have multiplied second row with the first column and second column. 3 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 1. Then 3 multiplied by 3, row 2 into second column. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 0 multiplied by 2. Now students, in the next step, 1 into 4 is 4 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3 and plus 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 0 into 1 is 0. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 0 into 2 is 0. Now add these elements. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 12 plus 0 is 12. 9 plus 0 is 9. So this is the answer. And we have find out the product of A and B, that is AB. So this is the answer. And what is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is number of rows are 2, number of columns are 2. So 2 by 2 matrix. Students, I hope that in this video you have learned about the definition, how we multiply two matrices A and B, and you have solved one example, that is we have multiplied matrix A with B and we have checked according to the definition and condition if the number of columns of first matrix are equal to number of rows of second matrix, then we can say that these two matrices are conformable for multiplication, and this is the process how we multiply two matrices and get the product of A into B. Thank you so much. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.